So we have our blog here, but if you look, we have one glaring problem. If we look at the date, it's this weird bunch of numbers, colons, and dashes. So we want to format our dates more nicely, and we can do that here in this section. So let's go back to our code. And the first thing we'll do is install the moment.js library. And this is the library we'll use to actually format our dates. So go ahead and just run npm install moment. And again, so you don't have to look at the loading screen. I've already done it here. And next, let's go in our post.js file and import moment. And let's now go in our render post functional component where we have our date created property. And let's put the entire date created property inside the parentheses of moment. And also be sure to wrap moment in curly brackets. To actually format the date, we do .format and then pass in the string of the format we want the date to appear. So I'll do mmmd0 and then comma YYY, which is month, date, and then comma year. And then we'll do a line and then do h:MMA, which would be hour, minutes, and then AM or PM. And again, this is it. This is all we have to do. And there are many other formats and ways of displaying the data you can do. And I'll leave a link to the moment.js docs if you want to format the date another way. But this is all we need to do for now. And if we go back to our forum, we'll see the date and it looks much, much better and more readable than it did before. And here's the moments.js page, and here you can see all the different options we have for formatting the dates.